to In the Mixed. I am your host, Dina Deleasa-Gonsar, and I am so happy you are here. Each week, we've been bringing you conversations that inspire, inform, and maybe have given you something new to try. Today's episode, we have guests that will bring you expertise from wellness and personal growth to family finance, and of course, a few delicious moments along the way. Let's welcome our first guest, Dr. Cali Estes, celebrity coach and founder of the Addictions Academy and Sober on Demand. A leading expert in addiction recovery and mental health, she's helped thousands transform their lives and is often called the battery recharger and the female Dr. Drew. Dr. Cali Estes, thank you for joining us today.
Thanks for having me.
Oh, it's so great to have you here in studio. And Dr. Estes, you have an extensive background in addiction recovery and mental health. But before all of that, you have personal experience, which I imagine is a huge part of the motivation behind this. Can you briefly tell us where your passion for addiction recovery stems from?
So I am in recovery for speed and diet pills.
Okay.
I was using those in college to try to stay thin, of course. And combat the whole stigma of, the heavy girl.
Yeah.
So I have that as a personal experience, and I bring that into what I do with my clients.
That's so important. I imagine that just adds another layer of empathy into what you do. And you've created a number of programs aimed at helping individuals recover from addiction as well as performance optimization. So your methods pull from an extensive toolbox, and it has neuroscience, biohacking, and trauma-informed care. Like, the list goes on. Can you walk us through what a reset with you might actually look like?
Sure. So we do something completely different. We do in-home detox. We bring the drug and alcohol nurses and doctors to the client, wherever they are.
Okay.
So home, office, Airbnb, tour bus, airplane, wherever you want to do it. And then I have a 5-day executive reset where my team and I come in and we do the trauma-informed therapy. We have an EMDR therapist. We do performance coaching. It's the whole gamut of things to get you unstuck and get you out of your head and get you where you want to go. So executives love it because it's 5 days. It's a fast track. Instead of going to an inpatient facility for 30 or 40 or 50 days, we condense it and privatize it and make it specific to the client.
That's amazing. Yeah. And you've created something unique with Sober on Demand, which flips the traditional rehab model. So what inspired this concierge approach to addiction recovery?
I wanted something different. Everything in the industry was the same type of treatment. So whether you go and you have the nice beach and the nice, massages and whatnot, it's still the same type of therapy. And I wanted something that would really shake up the market and say, let's make a difference. Let's do something really well and let's bring it next level. So that's what this is.
And now you have a new book coming out soon, is that correct?
Yeah. I have a new book. So my 7th book, this is the funny book. They've all been in the industry. This one's actually called Airport Antics.
Okay.
And it's based upon my travels going through airports for the past 15 years. All the people I see, what they look like, what they do, and they're funny stories. They're really, really funny. So it comes out, and it'll be right out when the show airs, so it'll be available.
I love that. So a little bit of a break from the normal topics that you cover.
Yep. Something different, something funny, something light.
So where can we find you if people are looking for more information about you or your services? Let viewers know before we go how we can get in touch with you.
So soberondemand.com, caliestes.com, theaddictionsacademy.com, any of those, and then we're across social with the same exact thing.
Great. Well, thank you so much, Dr. Cali, for joining us today and for sharing your expertise with us. And next, we're going to gain some insight on how to build generational wealth for our families and dive into how we can best invest in our families' futures.